Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So ADA has possibly seen the low of this correction to the downside. We need to be a bit careful. Two things. Today, anybody who's trading today, it will be unpredictable. Yeah, I can promise you that. I'll say that in every video today, because today we've got the funding rate decision of the Fed. Yeah, 2 o'clock Eastern time, to my knowledge, it will be released. So a couple of hours before that, high volatility. A couple of hours after that, high volatility expected, unpredictable movements. Nothing that would, in my opinion, change the overall course of the chart substantially, but it will have a short-term effect. Okay, so there will be unpredictable movements, a lot of bot trading, up and down. So don't panic. Yeah, just sit it out, in my opinion, because you can't win there. I think unless you're lucky. All right. However, where are we now? So we can, I just made an ETH video and told you that with a high likelihood ETH still comes down a little bit more. We have to assume that basically, because for ETH we couldn't really easily count 5 waves down as complete. For ADA we can, yeah. For ETH, however, as well, if we get above a certain level, we can be more certain we go up. Here for ADA, I said to you, if we break out of the corrective channel to the downside, or the impulsive channel here to the downside, and we break out to the upside, yeah, so we break out of the downside channel to the upside, then we can be, well, at least it's the first signal that the wave C to the downside has been complete, and then we really reversed in the target area. Yes, we dipped slightly below it, not a problem. Yeah, this is all still possible in a wave 2. In fact, as I said to you before, we could still drop lower in a wave 2, wouldn't be a problem. For now, we can be on the lookout for further rising prices against 45 cents. This could have marked the low here. Yeah. Again, a move above the 47.4 cent level, that would be another good indication. That would be another breakout point that could take us then to 49.5. From here, it could take us to 53.7. Primarily, I'd be now looking on the lookout for an impulse to the upside to finish off wave. Obviously, we are now in wave 3 then. If this is the correct wave count, in wave 3, we would now be in wave 1 of wave 3. And this should move up in 5 waves. So until we have those 5 waves of the first wave complete, it's very uncertain still. It is very uncertain still, so please understand that. But we can track it against this low, and we can, against this low, assume higher prices for now. Where the wave 1 will take us is at the moment not really possible to forecast. It is already possible that this here was a 1 on a lower time frame, this a 2, this a 3. Here we have a slight overlap, so we might have a 1, 2, 1, 2, would go higher. So I would certainly see this to 49.6, yeah. Unless you have something like a leading diagonal, which is possible as well. Therefore, the lower level micro counting is extremely fragile, but certainly next resistance, and that could already be that wave 1 top of the wave 3, or at least on a lower time frame. That would be here the 47.4, 47.5 cent level, and then 49.6. So it should subdivide in 5 waves to the upside. Then we should see another 3 wave move down with a higher low. And when you see that, that's another good confirmation that wave 2 was finished here, that wave C was finished, that wave 5 was finished. The nice thing here on the ADA chart is that we indeed can count 5 waves down as complete. Yeah, Ethereum makes it a little bit more difficult. So we'll see, yeah, but for now I can assume higher prices. Bear in mind, interest rate decision might shake things up temporarily today, so it will be an unpredictable day. However, we can still carry on here with our TA, and that's pretty much the update on ADA. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.